Movie trailers in general are usually pretty exciting, very well done, they're generating interest, and the Spider-Man trailer is no exception. This is the catalyst for today's show. One of the things about improvisation is you want to grab the listener's attention right away in those opening moments. So you can do it in a flashy way, but more interestingly, I think, is to do it in a novel way, something that's unusual, something that, comes out of left field and, ooh, where's this going? We're going to take a couple of micro prompts, we're going to put them together, we're going to apply them to the Spider-Man trailer and see if we can come up with something interesting, exciting, and maybe even to be able to use it for a song that we'd like to write. It's a compound phrase, asymmetrical, meaning it's odd time. So with the TC Electronics Ditto 2 functioning as the looper, we have our asymmetrical phrase in 7. It really goes without saying that working on an approach like this, using improvisation and micro prompts, you're bound to come up with stuff that you'd like to formalize into some song structures. And so once again, improvisation equals composition, just at a different rate of change. Then I kind of improvised a lower part. Together. First phrase was on the looper, and the second phrase I played live. All right, it's your turn now. We're going to review the micro prompts that go with this. You're going to pick out a trailer, and you're going to go to town. So I guess you could say this was a series of micro prompts put together. First micro prompt is watch a trailer. Next micro prompt was to create a compound phrase that turned out to be an odd time signature. In this case, I used a 4 and a 3 pattern. Next prompt is to complement that with a guitar part that provides some harmonic movement. And if I were to continue, like I said, another prompt would be use strategically placed power chords for extra punch. Those trailers are all about grabbing the eyeballs of people so that they're going to want to watch a movie that's coming out. So for an improvisation, to jump onto a trailer and do that musically, it seemed like a really good experiment. I hope you like it.